We're here in London at Luchmun Studios and we have just finished shooting our ANDIS collections. So the brief behind the collection was we were to create 6 different looks. We worked with different colours on the model's hair. So we had some redheads, we had some blonde models, and we had different lengths and textures as well. So I really just wanted to showcase our ANDIS tools, working with these different tools and really showing how diverse they are within our collections. A creative project like this starts with a lot of planning. It's taking inspiration from things that are happening within fashion, taking inspiration from what I see through social media, and taking inspiration from what I see around the world. It's been a really intense 2 days. I'm really happy with what I've created, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it.